I'm pushing back my cuticles. But one of the first apartments I applied to, I posted on stories, guess my new city. And he swiped up, where you at? I don't get it. I was like, bro, I'm looking at apartments. What the fuck do you mean? Like, what the actual... And this dude responds, okay, I'm gonna put in my 30 days notice, and if I can't room with you in the meantime until your final days, I'll find something temporarily. Immediately, fuck no. I save him his dignity the next day and I fire him and I say, I'm not gonna be here enough to use the trainings. I need to prioritize my move before anything else right now. Thank you so much for your time. Hope you the best in all your future endeavors. Guys that say fam, I don't know, something about you is toxic. I'm using these Apray tips. They have a hole in them. I'm gonna put a charm through it. The problem is men are delusional because I don't think he was embarrassed.